guys, here we have the keys to the all-new Yaris Cross. So this is what the key fob looks like. It has the unlock, lock, and the trunk release. So up front it has a very aggressive fascia, but it still has the corporate Toyota face. It does have some HEV badging for the hybrid electric vehicle. Let's check out the rear first before we go for a drive. The rear fit and finish for the doors are actually nice. These are soft touch, even this one, and it has a nice pattern to it. There's even some stitching. It has a nice leather perforated inserts for the rear seats. Now do mind that this is the top of the line variant, and it has 2 cup holders and an armrest. This one has rear air vents as well. And let's check out the back seats for a quick sec. There's a lot of legroom. This one is set to my driving position. It does have a panoramic sunroof that extends quite a bit here. It does have a little bit of a lump, LED interior lights, and a little hump on the center. And it's a little higher on the center seat, but fairly comfortable. Nice detail on the speaker grills as well. Getting in and out thanks to its ride height is quite easy. Oh, it has. Then for the trunk, let's see the trunk. So let's see the trunk. Maybe it's open. Oh, it's power liftgate. That is very, very cool. So it does have a 2-step floor for the trunk, for the cargo floor. And I'm pretty sure it has a spare tire underneath. So yeah, you can lift this up and put it here on the railings. And it has a tonneau cover right here. The rear seats can be reclined as well. Yeah, decent amount of cargo room. It's nice that it has a power tailgate option. So yeah, these are 17 inches. Oh, 18 inches. Very nice. I like the stance, the looks, everything is spot on. The contrasting roofline is very, very nice. So let's go ahead for a drive on the all-new Yaris Cross. It does have a thick side sill right here. You have to start it, put in a brake, and hit the power button. For the hybrid, it starts on electric, the battery, and then the engine kicks in when needed. So it has wireless charging right here. Turn the radio off, and it has a nice. Oh, these are nice. Let's put the key here. Let's go for a drive. Doors are nice and solid. It does have a handle here. Automatic power folding mirrors. Also has an adjustable headlight. EV mode, automatic high beam assist. This is the forward collision warning. Power tailgate, parking sensors. Let's turn that on. Traction control. It does have automatic headlights. And then it has the Toyota dashcam built in. Seat was a little high. Okay, so ito yung touchscreen niya. Oh, it has ambient illumination, pero mas kita siya at night. It does have nice blue stitching and more textures here. It does have a Pioneer sound system, which is very interesting. But it still has the nice texture right here. Nice materials. Armrest is quite small. There's a power outlet right there. More USBs, and yeah, again, wireless charging. Electronic parking brake. Let's put the seatbelt on. the diagram is showing that the battery is supplying power to the wheels. The engine hasn't kicked in yet, but if you floor it later, you will be able to hear the engine once again. May sport mode ba to? Wala.
Ano lang siya, dalawa siya, eco and powered lang. Parang yung power game na po yung sport mode.
Okay. Saan siya? Ito
Sa
drive.
po. Ayan.
So may drive siya dito.
Ayan po, lumabas po.
Short press is power, long press eco. Okay, so now we're in power mode as indicated here. And now the engine kicked in, supplying power to the wheels as well as the battery. So with a hybrid electric vehicle, you don't have to charge the batteries. Okay, so that's a blind spot warning. You don't have to charge the batteries because the engine does all the charging. All you have to do is fuel up. So it's basically like driving a regular gasoline vehicle. Yes, I can left tayo dito. So let's try it in eco mode first. Visibility is quite good. The windows are a little small, pero kita pa rin. There's a little bit of a blind spot on the seat pillar thanks to the small quarter windows, but for the size of the vehicle, it is reasonable enough. So let's have a cruise control with adaptive cruise control. And so now we're in eco mode. The gauges are a little bit similar to the Rays and the Velos. This car has 485 kilometers, which is fairly new. I bet this hasn't been broken in yet. But yeah. So now the engine is powering the vehicle. The aircon is cooled as well. Okay, let them pass first na lang. So the Yaris Cross is, I believe, the entry level to the hybrid segment. So the engine, you can really feel the engine powering up, but once the battery kicks in, it is a smooth and quiet ride. It does have auto hold. So auto hold works in a way na you don't have to put your foot on the brake all the time. It will stop for you. The steering wheel is nice. It is thick, nice bolstering. It's also leather. Nice Toyota emblem front and center. Let's try the horn. Oh, it's a nice horn. You have two handles to close the door. You have one here and another one here. Fairly simple gauge. You have a digital tachometer for the hybrid system. You can also choose the design. So so we have to stop for us to be able to change the design of the gauges. So let's try a little bit of a kick down here. We're in power mode right now. It's quite fast. Right, so the designs is very interesting. Design one, and then this one is for the driving assist systems. So as we coast down a downhill, the wheels are actually providing energy for the batteries. So new for this one is a 360-degree camera, and unlike in most Toyota models, this one is fairly easy to use, and it is displayed in this nice tablet style screen. There you go. The rear view, it has a small window for the rear hatch. That's what you get for a sporty looking vehicle. You have smaller windows. There you go. Let's punchy off the line. This is the 1.5 4-cylinder engine, which is naturally aspirated. But yeah, it does have a CVT transmission, so you get that CVT noise as well. So this one is really nice. Vehicle information shows you a compass and the tilt of the vehicle. Let's switch now to eco mode, so that we can see how it's really like in the city where this car will be most likely used in. So unlike in power mode, eco mode provides a much more linear response to the throttle. And thanks to the high ride height of the Yaris Cross, we don't really have to worry about speed bumps that are high like this. Steering feel is nicely weighted. It is not as light as I expected it to be. Unlike in most Toyota vehicles, it does offer great feedback from the road. Maybe also because of the 18 inches that are fitted on this hybrid electric vehicle. Currently, we are now running on battery power, so the engine is shut off completely. It means we're not really using any fuel right now. We're still in the full tank, although our battery when we started, it's about a little over half. Now it's only 3 bars. Let's try to use the camera when parking this small crossover. So the rear camera is actually a little low res, but I can, okay na yan, at least it has one. And it has a 360 camera, although it's still a little hard to trust. Pero let's try to fit it within the lines there. Very nice for an OC parker like me. But yeah, that's good enough. Okay, so to turn off the vehicle, actually the engine just shut down right now. I'll have to turn it off. Just press the power button right here. It says see you on the digital gauge. And yeah, it was a quick drive around BGC with the all-new Toyota Yaris Cross. Alright, so it is a nice vehicle, looks good, drives good also, and I bet the hybrid electric powertrain makes it much more fuel efficient. So this is a nice contender for Toyota, and I bet it will sell like hotcakes. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and make sure to turn on the notification bell to be notified once I upload a new video. Oh, in the back it looks like a Lexus NX. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.